Network latency measurement, Linux. I'd like to measure network latency for SNMP GET request. There is a free command line tooltime which can be used to find timing statistics for various commands. For example, it can be used with SNMP-GET in the following way. According to the manual statistics conists of the elapsed real time between invocation and termination, the user CPU time, the sum of the TMS_U time and TMS_Q time values in a struct TMS as returned by times 2. The system CPU time, the sum of the TMS_STIME and TMS_STIME values in a struct TMS as returned by times 2. As you see, none of these options allows to measure real network latency time, with excluded other program execution time stats. Is there any way to do so? Maybe not using time tool, but rather some kernel hacks. I wanted to ask, before I'll start to write my own program. Thanks, Piotr.
Run your program and the meantime capture network traffic with dump or Wireshark. Check the time of the request and the reply and do a simple subtraction.
Try ping. From the ping manual. You print full user-to-user latency, the old behavior. Normally ping prints network round-trip time, which can be different FE due to DNS failures.
The TCP dump 8's program's TTT flag may be just what you need. The timestamp at the beginning of the lines show the time in microseconds since the previous packet. By giving a different number of t on the command line, you can get either absolute times, relative times since the first packet, or relative times between packets. I've just shown random MDNS and web traffic because that's what is easy to find on my system. You could easily filter for SNMP traffic with TCP dump 8 to get only the packets you're interested in. Which would be a good idea, as dumping all traffic from busy systems can generate a huge load.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.